guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So today, the feature of the star of the show today is this wonderful, beautiful Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe palette. So I wanted to go for a green look today. I didn't know at the beginning of the video what I was going to do, so I came up with this because it's two pretty colors, like a emerald green, mint green. So I love the way that the look came out. So if you want to see how to capture this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. So this is going to be a get ready with me, and today our feature is going to be this gorgeous collaboration with Morphe and the Jaclyn Hill. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and this is the Jaclyn Hill palette, as you can read. So if I can open it. Look how gorgeous these colors are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with this color right here that my middle finger's on. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Going in with that color on the outer crease, using the same brush. No, I don't want to use this brush. I'm going to use this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it, but it's also a tapered blending brush. It's just a smaller one. Now I'm going to cut out my lid, and for that I'm going to use LA Pro concealer. No, I'm not. I'm going to use the NYX white base. Last minute decisions. My favorite color. I'm going to use this color. Because I want to. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with this crown brush. It's a SS027 blending crease brush. And I'm just gonna diffuse that edge a little bit. There's nothing on this brush. I'm just diffusing. So I think I'm gonna put that over top of this, my green, because it's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on there with my finger. So gorgeous. I don't feel like getting my tray out and dumping it out and blah 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 blah. So I'm just gonna do it on my hand. On my wrist. Because my hands are still really dry. They are getting better, but they're still like really, really dry. So I don't want to use my hands until I'm completely healed of whatever that was making my skin so dry. So I got this new contour, well, this new foundation stick in Ebony Brown by Black Opal. But before I think about trying that out, I'm going to contour with LA Girl first. And then if I still, and go on with this brush. There's no name on it. So one of the new palettes that I'm going to use today is a blush palette. So it's by Moira. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. And there's some really gorgeous colors in here. Gorgeous. So I think I'm going to use these two. This looks like a yellow, but it's a pink. It's the light. For highlight, no. Before I get into that, I'm going to put a liquid, a Wavy Glow liquid highlighter from NYX in Daytime Halo. I'm going to pop this on first, and then I'm going to put my highlight on top of it. It's called the Glow Me Soft Highlighting Palette. And look at those colors. So I think I'm going to go on with Caress, which is this one, and Whisper. So I'm going to take this MAC 212 and I'm going to go in with this dark green color. And I'm going to line my lower lash line with that. I'm going to take a pencil brush and I went in with that that emerald green that's on my lid. I'm gonna pop some mascara on. Using the Tarte, I think it's Tarte Camera Lashes. I'm using my favorite combination, Whirl Matte Lip Liner, Anastasia Beverly Hills World on top, and then Dust of Colors on top of that. Alright,